One thing I didn't know about Seesaw when I first started using it for home learning was that I could actually see all the responses to a single activity in one place. That probably is obvious to most people, but I thought I would share it anyway, just in case you're like me and you did not figure that out. So here's how you can do that. Right now I'm in my class view in my activities feed. I can scroll down to find the activity I want to look at. And here's the one I'm going to work with today. It has the blue bar at the top saying that students have submitted some responses and I need to review them. It has the name of the activity, a little picture of it. There's this gray bar down here and it says how many responses, how many waiting, how many drafts, and how many have not responded. You can actually click on that and it will bring up a grid of all the students in your class. You can check their responses and give feedback. I see Ellie has responded 2 times, and Mary, Melvin, Nova, and Trey have not completed the activity yet. To review the work, I can click on it, I can check it out, make sure it's done correctly, and I can either approve it, send it back. I would add some feedback and say, please use more colors, or whatever feedback would be appropriate. Or you could delete it, but I don't recommend that. I guess Ellie posted twice, so I could delete one of them. So I can approve that, then I can X out of this pop-up window and see the other students' work. So this one, Ellie submitted a second one, and again, I can approve it, send it back, or delete it. This time I'll delete it. And close out of it. Now I know I better ask these other students to complete the work. Again, I can close out of here, and I can go to the next activity. Click on the box, and here I can see who's completed this activity. I've already reviewed them, so I don't need to do that. And I can just work my way through all the activities.